We love the balance that the bicycle brings to the world and its power to make people, communities, and the planet healthier. Come ride with us.
Hi, this is Jeremy from Planet Bike, and today we're going to look at the Quick Cam handlebar bracket. This handlebar bracket is compatible with all Planet Bike Blaze headlights, the Beamer 1, 3, and 5, the Planet Bike 1200, the Dual Spot, and Bright Spot bike headlights. It fits handlebar diameters between 22 millimeters and 31.8 millimeters. The first thing you want to do when you get your Quick Cam headlight bracket is make sure the bracket is adjusted to the correct handlebar diameter. To do so, flip open the cam and slide the cam through the slotted strap. You can open the strap up, and we recommend taking a slotted screwdriver, and you can use that to pry open the clip to expand the handlebar strap. If the handlebar strap is too wide, you can simply slide the strap to make the strap smaller. Once you have your handlebar diameter set, you can flip the strap over and put the cam back through the slot. To tighten around the handlebar, simply twist the cam until it's tight and flip the cam back towards you if you're sitting on the bike. To install the headlight, take the headlight, slide it into the slot until you hear a click. The click indicates it's securely fastened. To remove the light, simply press the lever in the back and slide the light out. This way, when you're visiting your local business, you can take your light with you while leaving the bracket on your bike. We hope you enjoy this video, and we hope you come ride with us.